Foothills Naga Coordination Committee, in short Fncc, has cautioned about the serious altercation between Nagas and Kukis if the Thingsat camp is established in the Kharam Vaiphei, that is Naga ancestral territory. It also asked the government of Manipur to bear the responsibility for any such unfortunate outcome. In a press release issued by its media cell, Fncc expressed deep shock and frustration over the circulation about the news of Thingsat camp, while maintaining that reports suggest that the camp is proposed to be shifted to Kharam Vaiphei village by renaming as Lankichoi camp in the heart of the Naga ancestral land. Describing the development as an insult to Fncc and a total undermining of the rights of the Naga people in general, it decried that it comes barely a month since the government pledged to respect the sentiments of the Naga communities in the foothills. The Fncc also maintained that the road passing through Naga ancestral land, presently used by the Kuki community as their lifeline between Churatanpur and Kangpokpi, will be completely sealed, besides evicting every illegal Kuki village established within their jurisdiction without the consent of indigenous Naga landowners.